Question 24 is about M-side inhibition. The example of option A is correct. It is M product inhibition, but this inhibition not occurs as the last step of the conversion. It occurs at the first step. So the description of this part is wrong. For the B part, they talk about non-competitive inhibitor, increase substrate, increase the amount of products. So the graphs be like this, okay? This is product and this is substrate. Normal M size like this. Competitive is like that. Non-competitive is like that. So for the non-competitive, it mature, it saturated quickly. So when you increase the substrate, the products won't increase. So about C, okay, and about these, we have to remember for an M-side, there are two parts, right? One part is the allotropic site, and the other part is the binding site, okay? For the competitive inhibitor, the catalyst binding into an allotropic site, of course, no, this is for non-competitive. Change the shape, right? So for the non-competitive inhibitor, yes, it's going to this allotropic site, so it has a different shape as the substrate. Substrate go here, non-competitive inhibitor goes here, so they have different shapes. Okay, so the answer is D. Thank you.